Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to Google Assistant voice chat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone Google, and next tap on your Google profile icon. Scroll down here. Next go to your setting. You can see that this option voice. Tap on this. You can already see that your phone voice choose option. Select
You'll hear this voice when you ask something like,
any
"How's the
option.
weather?"
To hear your search results spoken,
You can change this voice at any time in settings.
this is the voice you'll hear in search.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.